Hello. I think my microphone works. Ooga booga. Yeah, I think it works. Okay. Don't know if it's connected to my microphone or not. Remember, I still have the issue where if I show my face for more than 90 seconds, it's gonna go like, oh, you can't comment anymore. So you actually didn't see. Okay, good. As you actually don't know, I actually moved. I finally cleared off my desk. I have a thing of not like cleaning my desk. So yeah. Well, I finally got it cleaned off, so oof. Yay. Alrighty. I was just thinking of going through all my 7 episodes. I have the papers actually, as you hear. So we're not actually gonna go through the videos themselves. So I'm just gonna look at the papers, go to the episode, see what it is and whatnot. Because I have timestamps. So I think is that good? Or Google. Okay, Google. All right. Now, they actually have 49 videos in here. It's crazy. All right. Then, okay. Did I? Okay. I didn't do that. Okay. I actually do not have timestamps. This is the only one I do not have timestamps on it, which is episode 1. So it's going to take just a little while to, check, but let's just see.
All right. So,
man, it's so different back then.
That they had no choice.
I'm just waiting for the. It kind of takes a little while, to be honest. Yo. Okay, now I gotta refresh the page. Might be my storage issues. I might actually have to end the stream early because of my storage. That might actually become an issue.
All right. So I just want to get a couple things out first.
Please don't freeze.
Very next thing. This.
Right.
They handle that just fine all by themselves.
Very next thing. This is the 6th episode crime. And the 6th episode of Murder Jones called The Dead End, we learned that Sin.
Okay, I remember this. All right. For some reason, it says 188 gigabytes on my 234 is from apps. And it doesn't. Oh, hey. Hi. Oh my God. What's up? How have you been, dude? Yay. All right. 2 main people. Yeah. Okay. So if you didn't know what we're doing, Gaming X 046. I'm going through all my death penalties that I've given, and I'm just gonna see what would those be like if they weren't death penalties. So like, to me, what is this? Okay. Why? Like, I'm just gonna continue. So basically from there, the first death sentences was from Sin was from Sin who did a mass murder. Now obviously there is okay, the only way to rewrite this is to figure out how many lives were on there. So you could do something. Oh. Oh, okay. I like your content, okay? Like my motto on my YouTube channel, I post when I want to post. Do whatever you feel like is fine. That it just feels like your content's good. And I'm happy that I've had this experience with you two, actually. I haven't actually said that, but yeah, I'm really glad that I've actually been able to talk with you two and have them as good people. So whatever you're doing is good. Yes. Definitely yes. Yeah. Because I think I got Mega Rooch back into making content. So that was good. Because the only reason he posted content was to do some dungeon shooter speedruns on Roblox. So that's pretty good. Yeah, that's what I kind of noticed. Like you, yeah. And yeah. So yeah. Are we good? Can I go back? Yeah. Okay. Nice. I'll go watch this. I actually, I'm going to school and I have to do this summer project. I have to do a summer reading. So in like 9 o'clock my time. So it's like 10 o'clock your time, Mega Rich. I'm going to have to get off. So yeah, but it's fine. Do we want to continue? Are we good? I want to say anything else? Okay. So anyways, Sin mass murdered a whole entire planet, as we saw. So the only way to really distinguish that is if we somehow do like a life for like every person killed. Now, the thing is, we do have no idea how many people are on Copper 9. Yeah. Yeah. Thing is, that isn't Earth. And since humans spread out on multiple, I would say it's at least a couple billion, but I personally do not know. If I were to say, I would say it's a little under Earth's population, because Earth is probably like overpopulated. Well, before it like kaboomed. So it's probably at like it's probably at like 10 billion right now. So I'll probably say like 5 billion would be correct. 5-6 billion, yeah. But I haven't played it, but from your videos, it seems like a pretty good. Like I like Batman. Seen the Batman movies. It's actually pretty fun. It looks pretty cool. So I'm just gonna continue on. So Sin's mass murder, I'd seen it's gonna be 5 billion life for humans, but I actually surprisingly got inspiration from one of the worst crime counts I've actually seen. You know that recently popular murder drone YouTuber, I forgot his name, whatever. It's actually my most popular reaction video that I've done. If you know him, he's barely done any crimes on the video, and they were all terrible, and he basically didn't even charge any life. I took inspiration. Like, he also did the animals, which was like the one good thing about that video. So I was thinking, do I want to do that? And seeing it would be like multiple life, multiple of that. It would be like mass animal cruelty and all that. So probably all in all, I would say 10 billion life. So, well, no, I would say like 7 billion. No, 6. Yeah. Does that sound right with y'all? All right. Gaming X 064. Do you think that's sounds good? I'm talking about episode 1 when Sin tried to cause a core collapse, failed, and then came back. So this was the first one, not the episode 7. This was the episode 1 one. If that makes sense. Is that... I'm gonna move on. All right, next one. Ooh. Yes. The classic penalties of the mass murder of Envy and J, and the lot of first-degree murders, that dead worker drone spiral. I actually did put, surprisingly, I did actually put a or 11, 12, 11 life no parole. So I actually don't have to do any work on that one. Let me actually show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. This is one that we held. And then I counted 11 throughout all that, the 8 drones. And then presumably nobody made it on that 3 family, obviously. That's what I was talking about for the 11, 12, 11. So I actually already did that, so that's pretty good. Okay, I'm just writing it down real quick. All right. Does that sound good with you guys? I counted 11 for each, and then V obviously had that extra one. Is that good? Cool. Alrighty. Next. Okay, this is very interesting. The dead worker drone spiral. Okay. Oh. This is a very interesting thing. Okay. I actually had done this. Like, somebody made a video trying to calculate how many dead worker drones on there. They came to 160,601. But I was like, okay, let me do it, because the thing is they used the wrong height. They actually used Uzi's 4.5 height, because I think, yeah, Uzi, okay, this person calculated it and got that number, but they used Uzi's 4.5 height, which was after episode 4 and it was between episodes 4 and 5. But we know from season 1's teaser, like 440 something, we see that Uzi is 127 centimeters, which converts to 4.2. But that was after episode 1, so we don't actually know Uzi's height, technically, in episode 1, but we can infer it's definitely closer to 4.2 than 4.5, because it wouldn't make sense to go to something 4.5, 4.2, 4.5. It wouldn't make sense. So I actually did the calculations. Basically what he did, I actually have a whole Google slide, so it's all messed up now, but I actually got a total number of, instead 160,601 to 336,972. Is that good? Because I'm going to roll with that number. Now I know there's like a while back Cartoon Universe. I think the first theory I watched about him was calculating how many drones died in the worker drone spiral. And he says synthesized scene, which is correct, like the height that's portrayed in shot and then the animation is incorrect. So we counted and he gave away like 500 to 600,000. I'm just going to go with this exact number because it's just the closest to math. But I'll probably round it up to something like 300,000. Or two. I'll just do the exact number. Well, the angle's different. The perspective. Should I do 250,000 or 300,000? So I feel like it's definitely more than 236,972. Oh. 300,000, all right. I think Gaming X 460 left. So yeah, all right. So 300,000. So yeah. All right. So 1 death to 100,000 life, no parole. These are probably some like absurd numbers. I just decided to do this anyways. Like, hey, it's a fun idea. I'm just gonna roll with it. Yeah. And the thing is, we technically do not know how much killed who. Presumably, N killed less, but it's just fairness just to divide it by 3. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Let's see how many. Okay, we only have 1 more death sentence, and it's probably the reason V when she hold on. I'm trying to find where it is. It's kind of difficult. Okay. Oh wait. Whoa. No. No. Here we go. All right. Cool. I actually got to here.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can only confirm 6. But if we're counting like hands, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7. I actually originally counted 8. I don't know where I got it. So for V's mass murder here, it would translate from 1 death to 7 life. Now, I don't think I can translate death sentences like what do I have for like episodes? Whatever. I'll get to it where it happened. So that's all the death sentences. So in total, yeah, so in total, the least amount is, well, obviously N and J have the same amount, which is 111 life sentences. Might just abbreviate it to L and P. And then V has an amazing jump of 100,019 life sentences. And then Sin has, of course, 6 billion. Oh, Sin. I was thinking like, oh, hello. I think the things that you missed where I talked about, I think you saw the dead workers on Spiral stuff. So I was thinking we settled with 100K because, well, my number was actually like a number calculated, but we rounded because of the smallness. So they have 100,000 each. And then these, 1 death when she, that counted 7. So it's 7 life, probably the easiest one. So again, like I said, in total, N and J, instead of their death sentences, they have 100,011 life sentences without parole. V has 100,019 life sentences without parole, and Sin has 6 billion life sentences without parole. So, yeah. And again, I think this is only going to work for murders. Because that's what I've seen. People don't really do it unless, like, they absolutely have to. Like, homicide. Like, there's no way you can, like, yeah, but homicide. Oh, yeah. I was thinking of a term. Because, like, okay, if homicide... Yeah. And I was thinking, if homicide is the class of... Oh, I have 3 viewers. Oh, my goodness. If homicide is... the killer of all life on a planet, then what's the killer of all life for a solar system? I was thinking either somicide, just an homicide with an S in front, or solar side. I think I like solar side easier. Because this is a made-up term, because nobody has ever even done it, like, ever, I would say. Okay. Basically, the removal of all life in a solar system, like our solar system. Basically, take all the life that we have that encompasses that lives inside our solar system and kill all of them. That's a solar side. Right? Solar side. What do you mean about Tessa? What do you... I'm talking about if there was a term, like when okay, I think we're getting confused. Solicide is a term that I made up for whenever a whole entire solar system, is removed of all life. So, like, for example, the episode 6, what was the Alpha Centauri system? Yeah, because it was shown that the solar system was redded out. Then the Alpha Centauri system was redded out, and then it came to the Copper system. The Alpha Centauri did. So basically, the murder of all life on those 2 planets in the Alpha Centauri system, that would be considered solar side. Yeah, solar side, not solar side. To just make it clarifying. All right, gonna move on to episode 2. If there even is any death sentences in episode 2. There's no death sentences in episode 2. So we can actually just skip episode 2. And there's nothing really to see that could translate. It's like one of my first few steps into a recount, basically. So, yeah. All right, we good to move on to episode 3? Okay. Ooh, okay, here's an interesting one. Doll's serial murder. Yeah, this is the one that we all both jumped up and like, oh my god, somebody finally said serial murder. That one. Yeah. Now, yeah. We seem we can agree that there's at least 5 life. Now, could argue that all the missing posters were actually from Doll's murder spree. And that's what the show kind of hinted at. Because there isn't the prom stuff from just the prom queens. So I'm just going to say, I think we're going to go for all the missing posters. Like, I'll write down 5 life if we're not counting the missing posters, just to have that down there. And then I'm gonna count how many missing posters there are real quick. All right. So if I go to let me just go to episode 3. Somebody reversed episode 7. Well, if you have seen this animation, oh my god, it's amazing. Between episodes 4 and 5, it's really good. Blah blah blah. Ooh, true.
It's time for the Pretty Prairie
Oh, whatever. I don't
Rodeo, July 17th through the 20th. Pro rodeo action followed.
Yeah, hold on. Let me actually check my papers real quick. No, I just counted it as desecration of a corpse times 20. So I probably inferred that it was, so yeah. Alright, so if we can find the moment. Here we go.
It's time for the Pretty Prairie Rodeo, July
you gotta be kidding
17th
me.
through the 20th. Pro rodeo action followed by dance.
All right, now I know if you've seen there's some repeated pictures, but I don't think. All right, here's my best attempt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Let me see 1. I counted 21. I'm gonna count again just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. I counted 22 missing posters. 25. Interesting. Where? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So you missed at 2 left. Huh? You. Okay, do you see my mouse? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I do not see the 3 that I'm missing, actually. Oh, 20. Okay. You missed at 2 left. Oh. 1, 2. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. I think. Is that 1? No, this is part of the prom logo. It's okay. So. I only say 22, to be honest. Do you want to look at it a little more, or you want to do like 22? Do you want to do 23? I don't know. This is why I brought you on here, because I wanted to get a different person's perspective. That's why I like to do the Izzy writes, just to see, because that was actually pretty fun. Counted. You didn't count the 1 at the top of the guy's head. Top Oh my god. How did I miss that one? True. Okay, now that I see what you're talking about. Okay. So then that would be 23. I'm seeing if we can get a better angle here. Is that a better angle? Hold on. This actually might be a better angle. Hold on. Nah, I can't count it like that. Was that an okay angle? Like, so... I could... My only other option is to go here. We can, like, estimate how much that could actually hold. I'm gonna say around 23. I'm gonna go. Oh wait, what are you gonna screenshot? The side view of the missing posters and the trash can, or are you gonna do like what do you tell me and I can show it to you? Side and vision so I can see what was under Uzi. If there was, okay, so you want, okay, so you don't want the trash can. Okay, side view. We can. All right, I'm gonna wait like 20 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go full screen right now. There you go. Just actually, yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna presume you're good. I'm gonna go and click off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Now you said on her side and vision, so I can see what was under Uzi. Oh wait, I think I know what you're talking about. You talking about this? Like, what are you talking about? What do you mean by side? That one and the one you show first. Oh, okay. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna count and listen to what you said. Okay. What you say? I'm gonna count and listen to what you say. Okay. I'm gonna wait for your count and then it'll get it. So it's either 23 or basically what you say. Okay, good. Guessing you're still counting. I'm just gonna stop doing anything until you get your final count. Oh, I can continue? Okay. Okay. So basically, while you continue that, it's basically either 5 life, no parole, or the number you came up with. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to put in parentheses 23 or whatever you put. So then we could, figure out. All right. Okay, I'm going to continue then. Okay, good. Thank you. I can't believe I charged Con with desecration of a corpse. It's kind of weird. Did it? Hold on. I might. Oh God. Put in the order that I did it, not. Does V have order? No, okay. I just either didn't count that one or not. Okay. I'm gonna talk about this next one. Actually pretty simple. It was when
forfeit is this.
I remember watching this in the premiere.
Easy, Judgy Bots. He's my friend. She's done with the murder or whatever. We've been hanging. Yes,
Yeah,
best friends. So easily manipulated. Prom queen? Ugh.
Wait a little bit.
So forgive and forget, or I'll get fine. Harder, loser.
Bro.
Can kill everyone after? It's not vain. It's extra sinister.
Alright. So I did say a death sentence here, but I think I circled back and decided not to do it because we already committed 3 death sentences in episode 1. So yeah, I'm not gonna do the attempted mass murder. So, like, she could be kidding, for all we know. But yeah. So I was just talking about that. If that was, it would just be the number. But should I do it? I don't know. Yeah, I'll decide to do it, even though it isn't. I don't know, so I don't have anything for it. I'll decide to do it anyways. V. So go through from 1. I don't know death to I don't know. All right, I'm going to go ahead and count the room here. So I think I counted this before. Swear I counted this before for something. Okay, like here we go. Think somebody actually did do this. All right, so just got doll randomly there. It's pretty funny. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another thing you might actually want to take a screenshot of. We want to send screenshot by Discord. I tried at a worse angle. I'm gonna do it. You're gonna send a screenshot over Discord? Want me to send screenshot by Discord? I tried at a worse angle. I'm gonna. Okay. Yeah. I'll just continue. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, after you sent. Okay. View. I don't know if I can like. Can I show this? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so there's 2. Okay, I'm looking at the doggy poster. Yes, actually, those do count. Look, do count. Okay, 25. We are doing 25. That looks good. Okay, we are doing 25, definitely. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so that's circled. So doll for there would either be charged with 5 life, no parole, if you want to go with, like, the evidence, or 25 life, no parole. All right, cool, 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 cool. That's 9 o'clock. All right. Good. So, wait, did you take a screenshot of the episode 3 scene already? Oh, whatever. I'm going to go look at it and count. You can screenshot it, whatever. I'm going to wait like 10 more seconds. All right. So I counted 45. Now, there's probably a couple on the side, like Brandon, I think, with his head on fire. So I'm going to say around 50. I'm just going to write that down. Because it seems good to me. And do you want to, like, okay. I'm just going to wonder, did you take a screenshot and do you want to count the scene or not? Like, checking if any other death sentences. Nope. And, okay. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and continue. Well, I took screenshot. Yes, I do want to count the scene. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue. There are no other death sentences for episode 3. So I'll just put, there you go. All right. That's done with episode 3. Episode 4. Let's see. But I think I have these. All right. Episode 4. Let's see. No. Oh, yeah, I was thinking, I don't know why I charged a random worker drone like $750 for 2 times. Yeah, I just remove him. Just nothing really to, yeah. Stalking, no. No. Solver Uzi, no, that's life. Ah, okay. There was a mass murder. Oh, episode 4. Okay, episode 4 did have one mass murder. I said Mercer. Nicknamed Solver Uzi. Wait, I have so many names for I have so many names for the absolute solver. Oh my god, let me show you real quick. Hold on. Let me tell you. So my rankings just all the times. We got the Absolute Solver, Sin, Eldridge J, Tessa, and Solver Uzi. So that is 5 different names for the same person. Well, a little complicated. I had like one of the main questions I had. That's gonna be like, I think the next thing I'm gonna tackle is like, are the Absolute Solver and Sin the same thing? So I want them to count because I'm counting them separate on the screen time. So yeah, just doing that. Okay. So Solver Uzi, that bunch, I think it was pretty easy. 2, 1 death, 2. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go through episode 4 real quick. And wow,
Ghirardelli caramel squares. Elevate your s'more with luscious.
I actually have a timestamp here, so it's that. Oh yeah, so I did it here. We're here. I'm gonna speed this up.
Oh, you?
1. That's obviously not good. How weird I took my pen. We're positioned to be at.
He doesn't.
Oh, thank Robo God, Final Girl.
3.
Flashing?
Okay, interesting. Then who was the one that ran? Whatever, I'm gonna do for life, no parole. Okay, yeah, I heard the Discord message. Jesus. Let me... Nah, I don't think my camera's blocking any. 42, 43, 46. Okay. 46, and then the ones on stage. Are you saying the ones on stage? Okay. So that's why I said around 50. I think we can agree 50. Is that fine? Because from the looks of it, we basically got the same there, and then the ones on the stage, that's like 1. I think there was only 1 on the stage. And Lizzie. So if we're counting Brad, that's 49. And then, yeah, 50 actually sounds like a pretty good answer. So can we write down 50? Is that good? V's prom queen. She was the one who initiated the mass murder, or almost mass murdered. Yeah. Okay. 50, so we're good. All right. Now, from Solver Uzi, from the looks of it, 1 ran away in the episode 4 teaser. And then there were 3 that she killed there, right? Because if you look at the group. Yeah. Final girl, so that'll be 2. And then he screams, so that's 3. And then the guy got blown up, like, immediately right here. 4. Yeah, okay. 4. There was no one, I think. No, there was the one that gave V the tiara thing for the prom queen. That's what I said. There was 1 on stage. The missing people to know how many she killed. -1 because of the one V killed. Oh, camping. Well, Salvador Uzi also killed a lot. I think we're talking about Salvador Uzi. Yeah, okay. Could be so how many she killed. True. But those were life sentences. Because they happened at once. So you could count the whole encounter. But it's already separated into life sentences for some. And this is like the only moment where it is a death sentence. And it's 4 that I counted. So I think that's okay. Or, you know what, let me write the order and look at the list. Yep. That's actually a good idea.
Ew.
Don't patronize me.
What? I think it's gross all by myself. God, you're a diva lately.
OB.
So,
Okay, I'm gonna count how many people. Not counting the teacher. Well, yeah, I mean counting teacher, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
so missing some here.
9, 10. I think we can say 10 are on the bus.
So missing some.
Are we good about saying 10 was on the leaving bus? Because I counted 10. It's either 10 or 11 because I don't know about that ponytail girl. But because I actually don't see V, N, or N on this list. I'm guessing Doll also wouldn't be on the list. But oh, whatever. So 23 I'm counted. So then the teacher itself wouldn't have one. So then that'll be 9. V and N wouldn't have one. So then that would be 7. So 7. That would be 16 life sentences altogether. Yeah, there's 23 on the paper. Yeah, I counted 23, but I was thinking, because then that would be 13, and then, yeah, Uzi and N and V, no. But they aren't on the paper. So, like, if we take the people living the bus is 10, and there's 23 people on the paper. Uzi would obviously be on there, so only 22. So 22 on the paper, and then V and N wouldn't die. So that would be 8 on the bus. But not counting Uzi, so 7 on the bus. So 7 on the bus, 22 students. Because not counting Uzi because she was the one who did the killing. I don't know if Doll was in their class. Yeah, Doll is in their class. So if we count Doll. So if you count Doll. Yeah, Doll would count. But she would probably be on the. There's 7 on the bus. Because Doll didn't show up. And 22 on the paper. I think it's 15. I think I'm going to go with 15. But then that's the total collective. So this is not just counting the death sentence. Why did we do that? Well, no, V did kill 1. That's down to 14. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, for 14, I'm going through my list. 13 because Brad actually killed 1. It was a second-degree murder. So yeah, it's actually 13. Yeah. Because, remember the bow, when N was, like, somehow really good at the bow. And then, like, I think Brad was so excited he accidentally let go of the bow and it shot somebody in the head. So actually 13. I'm going to go with 13 life sentences collectively. But with my count here... Interesting. Again, some might have gone lost. I have no idea. I'm going to look at the scene just, like, again. Oh, wait, hold on. This is a lot better, actually. That has to be, like, one of your scenes. Yeah.
So,
I think we're good on 13. Does 13 sound right to you? Do you want to take a screenshot of the bus or the list or whatever? Because the list does definitely have 23 people. We already did the calculations there. Subtracted the people from the bus. And subtracted the 2 murders that didn't happen. So 13. Okay. Again, 13. I counted only 6 total murders. That's all Uzi did on screen. So we do not know what happened to the other 7. But from how VE looked at Uzi and her sentencing, I'm guessing she did kill the other 7. Or maybe she kind of tricked the teacher into thinking that they did. I don't know. I'm just going to say 13. But that's the collective of all that. She probably did, but I'm going to circle 4 just because that is the death sentence that I was talking about. But 13 is the good for all the collective, for the guess. That's all for episode 4, and we somehow spent almost an hour on this. I have no idea. This could probably be done in 30 minutes. Episode 5. All right. Here we go. I'm counting the non-ones too. This looks weird. Oh. All right. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Well, technically 58 minutes and 50 seconds. Yeah. I do not know how this took this long. But hey, whatever. Okay, I think this is one of my favorite. Oh, thank you. I think one of my favorite death sentences. What's your favorite death sentence you remember? I think I just looked. Very first crime, episode 5. J.C. Jensen improperly disposing of the drones, oils or serial murder. And I gave a death for that. I think J.C. Jensen's only death. I think that's actually one of my favorite ones for death. My others, of course, the mass mind control. That one's pretty good. So I'm going to go with this. Okay. We already talked about the pile. Now, this pile seems pretty huge, and we do not know how long they've even done the manor thing. Without context, my favorite death penalty is... Yes, my favorite death penalty is mass mind control and mass kidnapping. Oh, yeah, also mass murder. You can't forget about that. Oh, yeah, treason, too. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, my favorite death. Anyways, I'm going to talk about the J.C. Jensen death penalty now. We actually technically already talked about this in the Izzy Wright, I think. With the solar side, yes. Yeah, okay. Anyways, improper disposal of drones times a lot, or serial murder. I gave a death penalty for JC Jensen. I'm gonna go and see how big the pile is.
Get real-world experience for the world of music and audio at Full Sail University.
Nah,
Recording,
I don't want to do
producing.
I like how they had the intro on the TV. Wait, does this mean that glitch is canon? Oh. Is there a time paradox because of this? Planet side. It's actually called homicide. Well, glitch canon. Time paradox. Oh my goodness. I actually don't even think I need video details. There you go. Anyways, blah 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 blah. Yes. We are not gonna count this. Yeah, we're not gonna we are not going to count this because of there's sin. Oh yeah. I know that. What the heck? I said we're not going to count it. On. Got a message, I thought. I already looked at that one. It was, oh, whatever. Discord's weird. Okay. Let me just focus and do this. Hold on. Guessing this is just like a mini, like, anthill, kind of. The camera makes it look like it's, like, massive. I'm gonna use this, like, circumference. That looks like the bottom. Counted as 30 high. I'm just gonna say 50 high for numbers. And from the looks of it, it just looks like the inside of a cone. So 30 drones diagonally is the L. Oh, okay. I think what I'm gonna actually do here. When I calculated the drone spiral, yeah, I'm gonna do this later. Well, I'm gonna calculate it right now and just go with it. Okay, I'm gonna go through the whole process. I'm legitimately going to try to get this as accurate as possible. This is gonna take forever. It's probably gonna take like forever. So okay, how about this? I'm gonna do it at the end. I'm gonna do this at the end just to see how much time I have left, okay? I'm just gonna give an estimation of like 10,000 and just leave it there. For now, because I'm not gonna give this up. They probably definitely did more, I would say. So we're gonna do at the end because this would probably take forever. So, all right, are you good with that? Because I'm actually gonna be really excited to actually do that because, yeah, I can do it on Google Slide and show you basically what I did for the overworld one. All right, cool. Yeah. Oh yes, desecration of a corpse. If you remember, that was my favorite crime in episode 1 because it was pretty unique. Ah, yes. Ooh, my favorites! Let's go! Mass genocide! Can't believe that Sin's voice actor is literally a real person. It sounds really cool.
Everyone stand back! This.
Young less cool this.
You didn't have to.
I think I said something like, alright, baby, here we go. It is genocide! Woohoo! I think I said something like that in the episode 5. Let's go! I think that's what I said, something like. So anyways, this is definitely going to count for the Earth. Do I want to do the Earth now? Or do I just want to count this as separate? I'll count this as separate because I'll probably be a better approximation. Yeah. I'll do that. I can't count how many are in the manor. Presumably the worker drones weren't used. I'm guessing they were used for the yeah. So let's actually. Did I count them? I felt like I did. Well, I counted the ones that they threw battery times 10. I meant. Alrighty. Stand back. This is a citizen's murder. Whoa. I think this is a good scene right here. Yeah, that is amazing. Alright. I think the only way to count this is the hundreds of white eyes staring at us right now. Imagine this was just dark and this is all you see. Just tons of white eyes. Creepy. Alright. See in a trash can? I didn't even notice a worker drone's literally on a trash can. Or he's right next to a trash can. That's pretty funny. I didn't even notice that. Alright, I'm gonna get ahead and count. The hundreds of all seen white eyes on us. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Especially over here looks creepy. I'm gonna count again just to make sure. 1, 2, 3. No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I counted 26. Do you want me to go back up there and see? Because, yeah. Okay. Let me write my. There you go. All right. I'll wait like 20 seconds for your. Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi. I did 20 seconds. I think that's good. I'll do a couple more. There you go. 28. You don't have to take a screenshot. Are you counting the drones? Because if you are counting the worker drones, then that would be 3. Actually, that would be 4. Okay. Let me see. And you send me a screenshot. Okay, here you go. Let's see. That's a worker drone. It's 11. Okay. I counted 27. You missed one. Oh. So I counted 26, and then I see one I did miss, so it's 27 for me. And I think you accidentally counted a worker drone, so it'll bring yours down to 27, but then you said you missed one, so it'll bring yours to 28. So it's either 27 or 28. Let's go with 28 because we can just do the rounds. Yeah, let's do 28. Yeah, 28 sounds good. There. All right. It seems to be like the average of ours. Battery in the soul, that's definitely not a death penalty. Oh, you got another one. All right. This. Okay. Okay, 29 then. Do 29. Boom, that'll round up for the couple that might have not been there. 29. We good? Got like 30 minutes still, so I'm gonna kind of have to. Oh, 20 is the one that. Oh, I gotta change it back to 20. Good. All right, now we're on to 6. See if 6 has anything to offer. So far, episode 2 is the only one that doesn't have a death sentence. Oh, no, yeah, episode 6 is gonna have a death sentence. What I'm talking about. Oh yeah. This is gonna be the one that has the multiple death sentences at once. And episode 7 does too, I guess. Yeah, I think episode 6 is the one that had the raid over him because I actually wrote down the crimes there like, and I don't know. So yeah. This is when I did a lot of sentence degree murders and the Sentinels, Alice and BU all got like 700 years. Actually, they didn't commit any other crimes. What did they get? Okay, Alice and BU got 300 years, and the Sentinels got 795 years. All right, cool. Unbelievable. All right. For death sentences, taking over solar systems, mass property damage, mass mind control. Wait, no. The mass property damage isn't a death sentence. So taking over solar systems is a death sentence. Mind control is a death sentence. Then, wait, I'm confused. 1, 2. Did I? What? What's a 10? Oh, mind control. It's not mass mind control. Oops. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I did mass second-degree murder as a death sentence. Okay. Goodness, looking at the time frame, 10:45 to 11:45. All right. I'm gonna look at episode 6. We're gonna look at this together.
It's so easy
just
to get your
see.
windshield replaced using SafeLight. Tell them why you haven't done it already, my man. Let's start it off as a...
Kabooey. Okay, you ready? It's about to go. Oh. Okay, so then I was talking to no one for a couple minutes. Okay. Anyways, we're on to episode 6 now. Kind of forgot what I said. This is the 4 death sentences. So it's the taking over solar systems, mass genocide times 2, and mass second-degree murder. So we gotta pay attention for this minute, right? And transitions. Why do we have mass genocide times 2?
We know it mutates and damaged AI.
Oh, I see
Took us
why.
in as a host, then it took
Funny how they did a redacted over Tessa where
the humans they
area
saw what
is.
was happening at home.
Because even though it's black, it was...
Thought they could understand it.
Oh, never mind. There was a planet binary system, and then the planets, and right? Alpha Centauri.
Saw what was happening at home.
Proxima system, then the Earth system, then the planet binary system. We don't know how many planets there are. So I guess it was like 3, and then 2 there, 9 there. Well,
Thought they could understand it.
That's what I mean by taking over multiple
All
solar
they did was
systems.
spread it.
Then, Uzi, you can fix her, right? That's why you're here?
I'm here to find which drones were infected. When we get to the labs and find that list, I'll need you to choose the universe over one
Found that
little
list.
drone
Completely destroyed it.
before she's not herself anymore.
It's kind of crazy to think that this is sin. It's really weird to say that said sin. Yeah, 3 solar side. Okay. Let's do this one by one. From the looks of it, I did a math for secondary or just for all the other murders. I don't know. The terminology is going to be confusing, but I think I did a death sentence for taking all the solar systems. That can't be converted to life. Then I didn't realize homicide existed at this point when I wrote this. So the mass genocide times 2. What was that? It was Earth. And what else was it? There's supposed to be more death sentences. Oh God. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I actually missed a lot of death sentences. I only did 4. I only did mass genocide times 2. What would have I... Oh, you know what I think I did? I think I just counted it as... Oh, yeah. I just counted it as for the solar system. I forgot that homicide exists, and I didn't create the solar side yet. So this is really mass solar side times 3, which would be 3 death. So this is actually should be 5 death. Uh-oh. I was only here to see what my death sentences here would be, but I guess we're doing a tiny bit of the recount, I guess. So anyways, yeah. Taking over solar systems, that's obviously a death sentence. The mass solar sides. Do not know how many people are on each planet. I'm going to presume 1 billion each. Earth is definitely going to probably have an average of like 5 billion, I would say. So let's see. I counted 13 planets. Mass suicide. Oh, well. Dictionary. 2025. Ugh. Yeah, I actually want that to get a word, actually. I really want suicide to be a word. Actually, let me search up. Is there a term... There... a term for removing all life? So I'm just going to search this up. I'm not talking about life support. No. What? No, I'm not the Bible version. No. Here we go. Homicide. Yay. All right. All life in... This is why they're really good. In a solar system. Come on, come on. That is more than a term of social fictions as scientific term. Fear term related to crash-like events on planetary scale. There's a mass extinction. Okay. No, there is not a specific term. There is no term. So I'm coining solar side. There you go. All right, I think we're getting off topic. I think this is why we're at like an hour, 22 minutes, and 30 seconds right now. Okay. If there's approximately 1 billion life on each of the planets, would you say there's a billion for the exoplanets? Because then that would be like 5 planets. Wait, hold on. Because I charged $17 quadrillion, and I know I did 4 quadrillion for Earth, so that means there I counted 13 planets. So 8. But 8 would be... Oh god, I think I actually messed up. Per solar system. Yeah, but then our solar system is going to be definitely bigger. Okay, so I think I actually messed up on these calculations here, unless my brain's going cuckoo. So, all right, 4 billion for each solar system, so that'll be 8 billion for the 2. For the Earth system, if we said there was... Wait, we didn't even get to that part yet. 10 billion. Because I bet they realized something. So the 10 billion, so 18 billion. I'm guessing each planet. Okay. Hold on. I'm getting a sticky note out. I can't think this all in my mind. Hold on. So for how many planets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. I'm saying at least 21 because copper 9. So 21 planets. That's separated into 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 9. Now the thing is, we might have colonized, yeah, but again, they might be around the planet, you know, like those floating cities, I think. Suicides say only 1 per system to be safe. Huh? Okay, I kind of forgot what you were talking about there. Anyways, they might have also gone onto the small, like the asteroids. So I think I'm just going to add on an extra 100 million. Say 4 billion and 1 billion for each planet. I would say like 2 billion actually. So it would be 8 billion for the 2 minor solar systems. So I was just separating it because, well, for the 2 solar systems, there's definitely 4 billion. And bring that down, 4 billion. Like, oh my god. Pen, no. There you go. Oh my god. My pen's acting weird. Alright. So then for the 8R planets. Oh shoot, we're gonna count Pluto. Ooh. 100 billion per system. That's quite a well for the major systems, yeah. So then you're saying 208 billion? Because 4 for the minor systems, but then 100 for all the others. I would say like 23. Wait, are you talking about 23 billion for the minor systems when they only have 2 planets? Well, okay. If we're thinking 10 billion per planet, that's 210. But then we also got the other exoplanets or the other asteroid things that might add up cumulatively a lot, because we also got that Oort cloud. And oh my goodness, this is overcomplicated. I'm going to go with 250 billion. I'm going to go with either 250 billion or 300 billion. Okay, 300 billion it is. Because I think that would encompass everything. So I'm going to go with that. That sounds so absurd, though. 3. So instead of 3 death sentences, which in reality should be like 10, turns into 300 billion. 300 billion life sentences. Oh, sin. You can be cute, but you can be a mass solicider. Yeah, that's all death sentences. Yeah, okay. I was wondering, like, who is the worst criminal on YouTube? And I was thinking, okay, I think Sin has the most amount of money. I think Sin has the most amount of death sentences. What else is there? Kind of forgot. Hold on. I think Sin has the most amount of years. The only thing that could be contested is the life. Because I haven't really given Sin a lot of life because of these death sentences. But then I realized Sin, if we do count life sentences, it would be multiple billion. All right. Episode 7 is going to be exactly like episode 6, I think. Oh, wait. I still got to do the count at episode 5. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I got 15 minutes. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, definitely Sin has definitely the most amount of mind control out of everybody. All right. Here we go. Let's see. What? Oh, wow. I added a lot for this one. Okay. Jesus. What did I do here? Oh, yeah. When the episode's over in episode 7, did the identity fraud times around 30, mutilation times 2, first-degree murder, property damage, mind control, first-degree attempted murder, and mass murder.
And also, that's sarcasm.
Oh god, this is like 2.5 minutes. Okay. Here we go. No, I do not care. Don't care about that ad. What is that? Tetris. Blah 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 blah. Here we go. I counted around 30. I already did this count. I'm not gonna change it.
Yep. So I couldn't.
Oh wait, it's 30 then. I just realized if I did identity fraud times around 30, I'm doing 30. Yeah, okay. We don't even have to look at that. Okay. I think I'm already gonna write down 30. Yeah, because if I counted mind control. Not mind control. The identity fraud. There you go. The identity fraud is going to be. I think Sin might have the most amount of identity fraud also. Today's video is sponsored by Radio. Asby, like, exactly. Alright. That was the first death sentence. Oh, God. we gotta do this one as well. Actually, probably one of my favorite crimes committed by Sin. Here we go.
I missed you.
Let me check everything out. Hold on. Because that's that. And then I would go on. Mass. I think the attempted mind control is 5 years. And the mass fraud is a life no parole. So that'll be mass mind control, war crimes, and everything else. Okay, good.
Thank you, Mind Chef. Trauma goes from here you find it there.
You know, you're one of the main reasons I wanted your team to retain your personalities. You always surprised me. Loved doing anything.
This was like a big revelation. I was thinking. No war. Dun, 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 dun. You know, there's at least 2 other versions. You can burn a lot of major things here. Also, burn that like you need something other than oil. I'm imagining them like eating normal food. I was thinking what they could do. Oh wow, that's like 4 murder drones. Jesus.
Thanks for clearing the way on this planet too. Let's eat.
All right. Here we go. All right. First up, mass mind control. Can't really do anything there. Oh. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay, no, I didn't count mass murder here. I already counted that. Yeah. Mass mind control, can't really turn that into life. War crimes, you can't really turn that to life. Everything else, you couldn't really turn that to life. I did everything else, just add an extra death sentence. So surprisingly, we can't change any of those death sentences. I'm gonna say it again slowly. Mass mind control, war crimes, I'm guessing times 2 because I put 2 death through it, and then everything else, just counting for everything else, adding up all together is a death sentence. Alright. I'm gonna keep those death sentences in. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, this interesting. Making sure there isn't any other death sentences. There is not. Good. The After Dollar did 163 deaths. It was during the original Planet 4 class. This episode was fault. Mass reckless endangerment, that level death sentence. Get me confused. Where computer? Hold on, let me find the computer scene real quick. Okay, no, it's definitely further. Oh no, it's before Mean Doll. Remember that. Yes, there's. Don't know how that even works. Like, huh? You alright? Too bored, I just... Alright. I just want to make sure. Okay, 105. 129. Somehow I saw 163. Do you want? Can we do like a calculation? I'm gonna try to do a calculation on like database. Okay, yeah. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. I think I tried to do it. Yeah, no. Something's off about this scroll. Yeah, something's off about scrolling. I'm just gonna... yeah. And oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, nobody was around, and also robot. The absolute solver, I would probably give like 150 approximately. The biggest number I saw was 129. I counted 163. Don't know how. I'll just say 150. So, you know, the last death sentences that wasn't committed by sin was when J.C. Jensen, then V, then Dahl, and then really a lot in episode 1. So death, I'm going to say around 150, yeah. Jesus. Okay. We are done, except for that last moment that I kind of have to calculate. What? I got like 5 more minutes. Oh my goodness. Longest stream, definitely, but yeah. What's your genius idea? Calculate the lengths of a small bar to know how many in total. Yeah. Okay. So how I did it was pretty smart, I think I would say. I calculated the surface. Okay. Hold on. First of all, I just calculated N's and V's fight for fun. Okay, I can't understand this. Okay, so first I calculated Uzi's height compared to the doorway of the dead worker drone spiral. Then I took the doorway, compared it up, got the height, got it converted, took the height, and then I took the slant thing. I did something. I estimated the radius, estimated the L thing, then multiply it by 2 pi, got the estimated surface area, and then... oh. It's okay. Oh, I know. I already did that. I did that with fingers. You didn't see that. I counted 13 at the end, and I moved fingers, and it was only like 50, where I saw the highest number was like 129, and I know that humans wouldn't count after that. So there's at least 129, so I said 150. Yeah. But yeah, that's how I did the dead worker drone spiral. Then I calculated the surface area of that work drone, divided all that, and boom. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. The next time you're going to see me on this screen right here is going to be telling you the answer. So I actually said to my mother that this was going to be at 10 p.m. at absolute max. And yeah, it's almost 10 p.m. So I'm going to have to hurry this up. I might have to do, well, today's Friday. Okay. Nah, I can't do it at that moment. Okay. I'm going to start a stopwatch. What's this for? Oh, this is for my reading. Yeah, I don't want to see that. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Row. I can't do that. Actually, hold on. Let's do. You're gonna hear me talking to myself, just letting you know. There. All right, I'm gonna calculate this. Let's see. So I'm gonna say 10 from the upper level. And then I'm gonna presume that this is just gonna be an expansion. And so 10 just to start. I need 10. There we go. So I'll probably say like 21 levels. So then adding the 10, I count out 31. But from the Dragon thing, I'm just going to estimate 50. Because we don't have any other perspective. So I'm going to say 50 is the how many heads. Now, I could go ahead and try to calculate the average head in a specific area, but I'm not going to be doing that. So if there's 50 heads in one area, I would have to figure out... Man, this is actually harder than the dead worker drone spiral. So if there's 50 heads, I'm going to have to figure out the radius. The radius... So then I could there figure out the height. Okay. What's the radius? What's the radius? And then I need you as the radius. No. Weird. It's like an inverse cone thingy. Well, if the height of heads is 50, or the slant is... Oh no, we're calculating the volume, not the surface area. Oh my god, thank god. Yes. So the volume of a cone is just 1/3 pi r squared h. Now the radius $30. Well, I don't even know the height. Oh yeah, 50 is the height. What am I doing? $308 squared. 15,000 each cubed. Now I just need to figure out the volume of a head. How do you think of it so far? Volume on the thing divided by a head's volume divided by 2. Catch spade is not heads. Yes, that makes sense. So basically dividing it by, like, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Well, I was taking the volume of it in heads. I just need to figure out the volume of it in heads. I was thinking of the volume of a head. I mean, no, the length of a head, not a... All right, let me do some more calculations for a minute. Need to go back to episode 1. Care about Razor. Care about this.
Roll there tonight to get the last spare part. I need
All right,
to.
perfect. Uzi's height. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2. I'm gonna say it's a third. So Uzi's 4'2", so that'll be 1'4", 16 inches. Well, this being h is equal to 16, this is approximately equal to, all right, pulling out the calculator. All right, taking 16 cubed, multiplying it by 15 thousandths, and then multiplying it by pi. So in total, it's 193,019,453 cubic feet. Do you agree with that? Does that make sense? Okay. That seems absurd, but So now we got the volume. What? Okay, I actually already calculated the volume of the average worker drone. I could actually just use that. Oh, yeah, I already did it. Right here. Is it in inches? Is it in inches? No, it's in feet. It's in feet. Oh, shooty. All right, I'm going to have to redo all this and... Hold on. Oh, hold on. Discord's lighting up again. All right. Gotta redo it. Darn it. So we got pi times 15 thousandths times h cubed, which h equaling to 4/3. This is going to be approximately equal to, all right, take this in cubic, then multiply it by 15 thousandths, then multiply it by pi, then divide it by the number that I calculated when I did the dead working on spiral thing I did not do on video, which I'm kind of sad I did not. 85,570. There you go. Well, I did estimate because of the grounds. Didn't look like there were other piles. Wait. Oh my god, hold on. Oh god. Oh. There's another scene. Hold on. There was another scene I just realized. I mean, because I remember doing when I did the screen time, I remember another scene from like season 1 teaser or something. No, season 1 trailer. Where is it? Give me. Right here. I remember it.
Just can't wait to murder all humans.
Remember.
To solve. You didn't ask me. You that turned, but think alone.
Just can't wait to murder all humans. I hope they're sitting pretty there on Earth.
The humans programmed us to solve the problem. There's proof of your backstory. Quit complicating my murder plan.
We can't interact with the workers anymore. We're too dangerous.
You didn't have to see this.
Boom! I remembered. Yes. Oh. Screen time knowledge works. Oh my god, that is like the clearest picture. Screen time knowledge works. So 2 other piles and 1 bigger. Now, from the looks of it, this is the exact same pile, but like a different angle. I'm just seeing if it was better. I remember though, yay. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. But I remembered. I okay. So then I just wanted to make sure. So this is the number that we have. Sorry, there was a fly in front of me. This is the number that we have. Presumably they probably don't have other I don't think they have other piles. Because the pile is so deep. Like what? So I'm gonna do this. I don't want to say 100,000, but I'm just gonna round. Yeah, so my estimation of 10,000 was far off. So I'll write 85,570. And then I'll write 100,000 just to round up. So I have 3 answers. Well, I have 2 answers. A rounding up to make sure, or the exact value that you have evidence for. All right, so now I'm going to add all these up. Hold on. So oh no. Oh no. True. That's like a mini pile though, but that seems bigger, so but they all seem to be collective, like they're one giant thing. So do you want me to multiply by 4? I can multiply it by 4. All right, how about this? I'm going to multiply by my result by 4 and see what I get. Okay, then I'm going to estimate 400,000. All right. So 342,280 or 400,000. Okay, thank you for that. Like I said, 342,280 or 400,000. Like all the 400,000 are rounding up, so I'm gonna deal with those. I'm gonna add it up now. All right. NJ and Doll did not get anything new. We did though. Well, Doll, okay. Doll got 25. Okay. I'll underline that. So there you go. So Doll is in last place with these changes. It's only one death sentence. So one death to 25 life, no parole. And then just making sure. Oh no, oops, I crossed out the wrong one. Wait. Oh no, wait, that was JC Jensen that had the 400,000. Never mind. Okay. I thought that was Sin who did the 400,000, but never mind. All right. Okay. So I think the murder drones would be next from the looks of it. Yeah, I'll do N, which equals J, which is two death. Equal 100,000. 11, yeah. Life, no parole. And then V, I'd say is next. Because of the 50 here, that'll be 100,069. And then I think the rest is Sin, and then JC Jensen, yeah. Yeah. So, oh wait, gotta write the death sentences. Oh, I'll write the thing first. 69. Instead of 3 death, 4 death. Yeah, instead of 4 death. Then JC Jensen going out here, getting only 1 death sentence. But that translating to 400,000 life no parole. And finally, Sin. All right, let's see, Sin. How much do you have? How many death sentences do you have on here? 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. 8 death sentences out of the 13. 2 grand total of, let's see. All right. 6 billion. 6 billion and 4. 6 billion and 32. 360 billion and 32. 360 billion and 212. All right. So that's 180 and 184. Yeah. All right. I did it right? Yay. All right. So I'm going to repeat this again. Doll's in last place with 1 death to 25 life without the possibility of parole. Then we got N and J with 2 deaths. That's gaining 100,011 life, no parole. V, who actually has a little more, 69 life, no parole, translates to that was only has 1 death, but it was a lot. So 400,000 life, no parole. And then Sin, 8 deaths that we counted, went from 360 billion and 212 life, no parole. You just got the billions, and then all the way down there, we got the 212. Two, 8, what? Okay, I'm sorry to ask, but what do you mean by 2H? If you can answer that real quick. And then we can get done with this over 2 hour long stream. Yeah. Okay. Well, other than that question, I don't have anything else to say. I think I'm good. I don't have anything else. Do you want to say? Do you think I missed any death sentences, or any death sentences that you want to add? I feel like I should have asked you that for each episode. Whoopsie daisies. But yeah. Uh-oh. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I don't think anybody else is gonna watch this. At one point, we had like 3 viewers. I don't know who that 3rd viewer was. So it's definitely you. Yeah. Bye.